Welcome to your new account. By utilizing this platform, you're gaining great software and best practices from thousands of successful businesses over the last 20 years. Use this video to provide you an overview of the platform and to help you get started. From your dashboard, you can see a 30-day snapshot of your business. You can also relaunch this video, schedule a demo, and sign up for onboarding. Use the Add New button to create new estimates, jobs, and contacts. With any service business, you're always doing one of three functions: selling your service with estimates, doing your service on jobs, or collecting payment with invoices. So that's how this platform is set up. In Opportunities, you can fully manage and track your estimates. Ensure you never miss out on an opportunity again. When you mark an estimate as one, it becomes a job. In Jobs, you can fully manage and track your jobs as they move from unscheduled to complete. See what jobs you have in each step of the process, and use the quick filters or search bar to quickly find what you need. Within any job, you can quickly add job charges, time entries, notes, attachments, and more. Use the Add or Edit buttons or green buttons for a variety of functions. See complete, time-stamped details for everything, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Instantly create, view, and send invoices from the office or from the field. In Invoices, you can fully manage and track your invoices. Use this independently or sync to QuickBooks with our complete two-way integration. Icons show you proof of when an invoice was sent, viewed, and signed. Never miss a payment again. Take jobs from lead to payment and every step in between. In Contacts, you can fully manage and access customer records. Instantly see every message, estimate, job, invoice, payment, and note. Even schedule reminders for when you want to follow up. Reports give you access to meaningful insight to further help you grow and manage your business. There are 4 different calendar views within the platform. The Schedule view provides you a list view of your events. You can also print work orders. The Calendar view provides a service business optimized calendar full of user-friendly functionality. Icons show you what kind of job it is, and colors indicate the type of service. When a job is completed, it turns translucent with a checkmark icon. The Dispatch view allows you to schedule based on location and availability. See job and technician locations via GPS check-ins. Double-click to add new appointments. Drag and drop to schedule. Quickly notify employees and customers of jobs, and more. You can also go into the job to modify more specific details. The Resource view allows you to schedule based on technician availability and provides the same functionality as the Dispatch view, minus the map. Across all calendars are Day-Week view with expanded or contracted views, with quick filters along the top so you can see the information you care about. For premium accounts only, the Maps view shows you real-time GPS tracking with routes and flags indicating when and where events took place. From the mobile app, technicians will have everything they need to run complete jobs. Award-winning for being user-friendly, technicians can see their daily schedule, get directions, add notes and photos, create and send invoices, and get live signatures and payment. All information is up to date and in real time. Whenever you need help, we're here for you. You can access our self-service help center here or by bookmarking help.kickserv.com, including our Getting Started tutorial. From the icon at the bottom right, you can access live support. See previous messages, or find answers on your own. Success is now in your hands. We suggest going to Settings to set things up and start inputting jobs immediately. If you want to sync with QuickBooks now, you can do that on the QuickBooks tab. Our team is here to help when you need us. If you'd like a more guided approach, we recommend scheduling a personalized demo. Get all of your questions answered and then scheduled for an onboarding appointment with our dedicated success team.